Hey, what's up guys, it's Kyle Watts. So today we're going to test out the Sony a7s III. Came to an archery range. We're going to shoot some 60 frames per second, some 120 frames per second, both in 4K, just kind of see what they both look like, see if there's any difference between the two. So figured what better place to come than an archery range for slow motion. Let's get into it. Okay, so now we're going to switch it to 120 frames per second. We're going to check that out. Okay, so I got everything we shot yesterday edited. Both the 60 frames and the 120 frames per second look amazing. That 4K quality with autofocus is just incredible out of this camera. I do like the 60 frames a second quite a bit. I think it was a lot easier to edit on my computer. The 120 frames a second I did have to create proxies for to edit because they were just too jittery. Both of them were really easy to color grade. I thought they edited quite well. But anyways, you guys, we're going to go head out with my brother on his boat with his family. So I'm going to go do some more shooting with 60 and the 120. Let's go check that out.